What's up guys, it's your boy Kahh Spence. I'm here today with another fire video showing you guys how I like to customize the hairline on wigs. But before we get into this video, be sure to give this one a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe because like I said last time, I'm here to stay. As y'all can see, I'm real consistent, but let's get into it. So today, I'm literally just showing you guys how I like to customize these hairlines using just a tweezer and some water. You can get this tweezer at either your local beauty supply store or your local pharmacy, even like a grocery store. Like they sell tweezers literally anywhere. But you literally need that, a spray bottle, and your wig, and you're good to go. Some people prefer to do it on the dome head with a wig stand, and some people can do it on a flat surface. I prefer doing it like this. It's just a little easier for me. But today what I'm going to be showing you guys is how I like to customize the hairline. And with this specific wig, I recorded this video maybe like a year ago. And this client wanted her hairline on her wig to be like a soft spot in between a thinner hairline and like a full hairline. Just because hers is pretty full and she wanted it to be just a little thinner than hers, but not too thin. I know some people like for their hairlines to be on the thinner side, especially when it comes to wearing wigs, but then some like it to sit right in between that soft spot. So I'm going to show you how to get it to sit right in between on that soft spot. Disclaimer, the knots were not bleached prior to filming this video. I decided to bleach the knots after this video. I just wanted to get the plucking out of the way first and whatnot. So I decided to record this just to show you guys. So I want you guys to watch this, get into it, stay tuned because I won't be talking much in this video. I want you guys to watch and learn. And yeah, just let me know what you like and maybe what you don't like. I'm open to feedback. And so now what I'm doing is I'm going a little behind the hairline just to get that part a little thinner because it's super full. But I'm repeating the same process and using the same technique that I did before. I'm just plucking away. But I'm taking my time and I'm being really tedious. You don't want to rush through this because like I said before, you don't want this to be super duper thin and then you end up balding a spot by accident. I've had those mistakes before. They're not fun. And so we're almost done. I'm just going back in a little bit more just to fix some areas up that I see could use a little more plucking. But again, remember, we don't want this to be super duper thin. Told you guys we're gonna get it right in between that soft spot. In a second, I'm gonna show you guys what the other side looks like in comparison to this side because I didn't pluck it yet. But look at how like transparent this lace is. Like you don't even see the lace. It looks like it's growing out of the dome head scalp, which is crazy. This is one of my wigs from my RPGSHOW collection. Very similar to the wig that I used in my previous video with the braids, but this is a straighter texture and it's a bob. I'll have this link in the description bar down below. Look at this, just beautiful. Like this is just beautiful. And so this is what the left side looks like. Well, the left of the wig, the right of the video, and then that's what the right side, but left of the video, y'all know what I mean, looks like in comparison to each other. So now I'm taking my OGX heat protectant and my blow dryer to blow dry the extensions and blow dry the wig. I'm gonna show you guys how I style it, and I'm gonna show you guys what the wig will look like in the end. And so now I'm taking my flat iron and just pressing this wig out just to show you guys what this bob looks like. I'm gonna speed through this. I'm gonna do both sides and then I'll be back at the very end. And so right now I'm taking my OGX molding paste just to lay those flyaways down. Oh my God, my tongue twisters are crazy today. Just to lay those flyaways down so you don't see them. And then I'm gonna take some hairspray right over that. And then that's pretty much it, we're done. I showed you guys how I like to customize the hairline, and I showed you guys how to blow dry and style a wig. Wow, look at me being all productive. This is a good thing. No, but seriously, I hope you guys love this video. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. I hope you guys are quarantining well. I'm back. I'm real consistent. I'm gonna have some fire content for you guys. So like I said, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I love you guys.